This is the LifeBasis Ultrasonic Cleaner. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual, power cord, plugs into a standard electrical socket in the US, goes to a figure-8 style cord which plugs in on the side, and of course you get the unit itself. Here's the lid for it, two pieces inside. This is a basket, so you can put all the stuff that you want to clean in there if you want. And this is a watch stand, so you'd put the band through here and let the watch face sit up there because you don't want the watch in there getting wet, and it can clean the band for you. So there's like that. Or if you want, you don't need to use the basket at all. They say that the basket absorbs 30 to 40% of the cleaning power, so we may try it without that, and you can put that in there. This will hold up to 600 milliliters of liquid, and that is approximately 20 ounces. So if you think of a 20-ounce Coke that you'd get at the convenience store, that's how much will fit inside of it in terms of liquid. There's a digital display here. You can select time for it to run. You can select 90, 180, 300, 480, and 600 seconds for the runtime. Inside of the tank is 304 stainless steel. And what is an ultrasonic cleaner? What does it do? How does it work? All that. Okay, so inside of it is a device that is going to vibrate the water at 42,000 hertz, way, way, way above what we can hear, hence ultrasonic. Science isn't actually that difficult. When it does that, it's going to produce millions of tiny, tiny bubbles in the water. Some are microscopic. Most are microscopic. And in doing so, what happens is those bubbles get to the items that you have in there, and they burst. And just like a balloon, when you pop it and it makes that loud pop sound, that creates a concussion of sorts against the items that are in there and effectively knocks the dirt off of them. That's real simple and how it works. Now you can use this with straight water. You could put water with dish detergent in it if you want. I have some mysterious purple liquid I'm going to be adding to the water. You can use regular plain old water, or you can heat it up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. With that, let me show you the items that I have to clean with it, and then we'll put them in and put some liquid in and get going. So we have a bracelet over here, some earrings, eyeglasses. These are just reading glasses. You see they're all smudged up and disgusting and that. I actually wear these editing videos and needed to clean them for a while now, but I knew that I was going to be reviewing this, so I waited and just dealt with them being dirty. We'll see how it does with that. And then a whole bunch of rings over here like that. Another one here. There's one there. They're kind of tarnished and not so shiny. This was an expensive one that I bought, so that was good. And you see they're kind of dull and dingy and not really sparkling and all that. So we're going to go ahead and put that stuff inside the machine. I'm going to not use the basket and add water and mysterious purple liquid to it, which is basically a detergent, and then we'll run it. You can see I have everything loaded in. I'm not using the basket because, like I said, I wanted to see what it will do. We'll put some water in. I have preheated this water. We'll put it to about there. And some mysterious purple liquid up to the max line, which is there. And it should do just fine right there. So with that, we're going to set the time. I'm going to go for the full 600 seconds. and turn it on. Now the sound may be a bit wonky on the camera. That is normal, but I want you to see the patterns in the water. Can you see on the surface of the water all of those patterns there? That's because everything inside is vibrating as such, creating those tiny bubbles and knocking the dirt off of everything. And then silence. If you heard a whirring sound after it's shut, that's because this actually has a fan in it to cool the unit as it goes along, which is kind of nice. So at this point we're going to dump everything out, and I'll dry it off and we'll see how we turned out. And here's how we turned out. This bracelet is a lot more shiny now, so that's looking good. The earrings are just fine. The gold has certainly polished up nice. You can see right there. Right there. Definitely cleaned up nice. As did the glasses. They need to dry a little more. There's still some water on them, but otherwise nice and clean. So all in all, it worked well. So once again, this was the LifeBasis Ultrasonic Cleaner. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.